Okay, so last time we got up to building Draka. I also installed a few other programs while I was waiting, like XFS progs. So, what we got to do today? We need to build the kernel, I think. No, build the Interam FS. God, what a word to get out that is. So if we go to CD source, Linux, there we go. Perfect. Dead straight, yeah. Ain't got a cow, have we? Oh, I know what it is. It's LS. Okay, so it is 6.1 Gentoo vert. That's right, if Cal's got other stuff to do, don't bother, don't matter. Right, so to set up an Interam, it is K version equals, and then you just put down the number and the name afterwards. So it will be that. Give that a second to build. Perfect, that's the inner rip done. Right, have we got everything? Did I password this? Let's set a password just to be on the safe side. Okay, I think that is everything that we need to do to get this working. Let's think, is there anything else? Is there anything else? No, I think that's it. So, we can exit out. We now need to copy out the kernel that we created. No, not that. So it'll be boot. And oh. Alright, Cal, you alright, man? Linux VM. Oh. And VM Linux 6.6.1. Oh. Okay. Let's unmount the partition. So that's proc dev this and run. And finally, you mount slash mount ISO. Okay. Oh, I need to disconnect as well, don't I? So QEM, NBD, disconnect. Hi Tommy, you alright? You feel like you're paying for getting called out. Now I just remembered that you asked me to remind you. Oh, yeah, someone set that lovely background. So nice of them. Okay. So, here's the QEM command. It's worse that it's Arch Linux, isn't it? Okay, so it's mule muscle that we installed this to 1. There. Okay. Windows X. Oh, that should be 2, not 1. Okay. Oh, fingers crossed, this boots first time. It does not boot first time. Nice. So let's try it with the other kernel. Okay, so that one works. So we know at least that using the def config doesn't work. So I need to update the documentation to match that. XFS is working fine though, nice. Okay, so the clock's not working, we need to fix that. Seg fault, that's not good. There we go. So let's see if we can log in. We do. And we can't run fast fetch, unfortunately, but let's do a neo fetch. Cool. That's some speed there, isn't it? 21 megabytes of RAM. Can't pick up the CPU, but I wonder if that's what's causing the seg fault on the other one. You know. It's not done properly yet, not until the docs are fixed up, but we are booted. I do wonder if we could get X running on this though. Fast fetch will crash. Let me show you. Right, let's do a nano, etc. Voltage. Make config. Right, let's turn this down to 1. Take away the features now. No, it's still set to American. Oh, have we got internet access actually saying that? No, we don't have internet. So that's something we need to fix. What's wrong with American layout? I use a British keyboard layout, so the keys are slightly off. Oh. Right, so it does find the internet thing, it's just not connecting to it. Okay, let's think of the best way of fixing this then. Let's power off. If you're using the /star, you don't need to do no root preserve. Right, let's remove the internet line and the network card. Let's see if it just picks it up straight away. That way. Oh, I love this music. It's definitely gone into the shouty music stage, isn't it? No, it's still not finding that internet device. Let's see what happens if we do DHCPD. Take a look at DHCPD. Oh, what's happened? You haven't used Gentoo in a week? Disappointing. Dying? I think it's your end, mate. I'm not dropping any frames. I don't have a schedule, do I? So, people aren't always there. It's fine, though. People only watch the Gentoo PS2 stream. Right, so I need to pop out of here and jump back into user mode so we can use internet for now. That's fine. Oh, what is with those seg faults? I wonder if it's because I'm using XFS. Daily driver PS2. I could do it. One of my friends, Chelson A, he does stuff like daily driving a PS2. He uses a much older kernel though than I do. But have you not heard the story about when I accidentally run Gentoo for half a year on NTFS? Like 90% of the bugs with the PS2 Linux Gentoo challenge. We're actually working on getting Gentoo running on a PS1. That will happen one day. Okay. Let's load up the drive again. Let's see what we can do. So, we'll load up the image again. Cool. MBD do mount ISO. You can use the memory card for storage, but let's be honest, it'll probably be NFS. Oh, streamer mode's not on, but thanks Luna for telling us that you're in a Wetherspoons. Oh. Let's put streamer mode on. There we go. Hey, I love a spoons, thank you very much. Classic British day, that is. Where else can you get loaded on like 20 odd Jaeger bombs and getting a burger? I saw a Linux user actually in Spoons the other day. I think they were running Ubuntu. It looked like GNOME 3, so I didn't really know too much. But I was pissed out of my face and I was trying to stop myself from talking. Unzip. What would I unzip a zip bomb for? I wonder how long it'd take my PC to crash with a zip bomb though. You're making me wonder now. Let's try it. Maybe I'll set up a little I'll say, yeah, I find hanging out there. Wife isn't the kind of person to go to establishment like Wetherspoons. Oh. That's why she's only Gen 1, not Gen 2, I suppose. Right, mount, type proc, none, proc. No. I'm just projecting what I believe, as you do, you know. To be honest, so the difference is when I go out to get drunk, I go out and get smashed. Oh, I need to recopy over... Nice. What's wrong with a spoon then? You'd love it. Right, Sir Ali. Right, so let's remove this. We can get rid of this now as well. Really shouldn't do hacky fixes, but I just needed to test something. Right, let's rebuild the HCPD. It is a little bit rough at night. I mean, it's basically just people are going out to get pissed out of their face, isn't it? If you're not the same sort of person, you're not going to fit in. I have to be careful now, though, because my kids go out drinking because they're old enough. So I have to try and make sure which pub they're in. Gotta be nothing more embarrassing than your kids having to take your own because you're too drunk. It's a nightmare, isn't it? You can't tell them off because you were just as bad at their age. Yeah, exactly, so was I. I've had to make the rule of, if you get in trouble, just give me a call. I won't tell you off. What? You can go out drinking and not get totally shit-faced? I didn't even know that was possible. Right, so let's rebuild this. Let's also have another thing. What other good things should we do? What? A musician in the world that doesn't drink? You what? Is it you sure he's a magician? Wasn't a magician. Hi Germ, you alright? It is 7:30 GMT. God. I thought all musicians were on every drug going and drinking bloody, well, champagne for breakfast. How times have changed. The fuck? Well, my outlook on the world is now shattered. Thanks, Tommy, for that one. To be fair though, at least you haven't got to worry too much about your daughter as much, because otherwise you'll be panicking every day. I know I would be. Okay, let's go and fix the kernel up first, I think. And then we'll look at see if we can get X to run on this. I think that'll be quite fun. So let's do a make clean first. Make clean, for anyone who doesn't know, just wipes all the config file out, turns it back to when you get clean sources. You can't tell him that you think he's a decent boy, though. You know, you're the father, mate. Got to keep that fear going, ain't you? Good lad, good lad. Does make me wonder why, though. It's the way I am with my son and my daughters for people, it's so weird. Don't even understand. Doesn't make sense. Right, so what we're going to do is we'll clean this kernel out. We'll start with a fresh new sources again. And then we'll see if we can make it a little bit more memory friendly. And what's that? And why doesn't his dad's an alcoholic? Well, yeah, no, fair one then. You can't really give him any crap. Fair play to the boy. I don't think I'd fancy doing the same thing as my father did if I'm always like that. Oh, lovely. Yeah, nice talking to you too, Tommy. Catch you in a bit. Hope the dinner's nice as well. Tell us all about it. I had a nice dinner myself today, chicken and chips. Oh, absolutely lovely. I suppose that's fries for you Americans. We just sit there thinking I had a packet of crisps for dinner. Right, there we go. We'll do a make MR proper as well, just to keep them sauces clean. You alright, Chino? Ooh. You're making me want to play Ocarina of Time as well for some reason. I do wonder how that would work for emulation though. Because I know the N64 controller's weird to emulate. I know the emulation works on fine on Linux. It's more the map and the controller that I'm worried about. I've got an Xbox One controller. Is that going to work alright? Or am I going to have drama with that? What I do? Map the C buttons to the second analog, the right analog stick. If I do that, everything should be mapped, shouldn't it? Oh, you're getting germ? Yeah, maybe I'll take a look then, see if I can get it working. What is going on with this? Yeah, maybe I'll take a look at that then. If you're lucky, I might stream it as well. Need to get back into gaming. I've not really been in the mood for it for ages. I want to play Shadow of Destiny as well. I wanted to play that on stream for quite a while now. Tears of Kingdom. What's Tears of Kingdom? Remember, I'm a bit older, so I've only really played the classics, not the new stuff. You're going to tell me this was a game in the 90s now, make me feel like an idiot, I know, but... Oh, well, I've never played any Zelda game ever in my life, so literally... Whatever game you make me play will be my introduction to Zelda. Right, there we go. Let's go and take a look through here. Hi Lucid, you alright? Right, take a look at these. Support for that in. Do I need that? Yes. You don't really have an idea. It always worries me when you set the kernel. I don't know why. Or from anyone else. I do have the best backgrounds. Yeah, that's one way of saying it. Did I install the firmware? Yeah, I've installed virtualization as an idea. Right. Do we not have No. You pay by government to play video games this fun, I bet. Right, let's keep all the... No point at having wireless in there. Alright, hardware monitoring. I tell that needs to be there. Graphic support. Right, we've got sound, no point having USB support, all that. Right, file system support, we need XFC. We might need CD support. I can see us needing that. Let's take some, let's see, perfect. Okay. Let's make this new kernel. Oh, nice, you're back in the business, are you, John? Yeah, I like Pokemon. I only really played the original one though. trade for users through Discord. What the fuck? What's wrong with auto tools? Don't know if I want to know. I sound intimidated just by reading the message. Be ashamed. I doubt I'll be ashamed. Not that bad, is it? I wonder if Nano supports numbered lines. Have a look. Smell. Show no. Oh. Huh. Yes, apparently it does. Let's try it. Have I got a big one? Yeah, look. Well, there we go. I never knew that either until today. And you just got to put set line numbers in your .nano RC. Nano for life. All my homies use Nano. I've been using Nano for like 20 odd years. I didn't know that was an option though, to be fair. To be honest, I'm thinking about adding it to mine. Right, so when this kernel's done, I'm thinking we're going to go and look into building X. See if we can get it working. Oh yeah, X on m68k. X on the Pismo would be easy. I had it running on the Wall Street, which is the version after yours, I believe we worked out, didn't we? I do miss my Wall Street sometimes. Yeah. That's where I learn about boot X and stuff like that. That thing's an absolute pain. That'll be a fun string once I get this PowerBook 190 up and running. I still don't know if it's the hard drive it's not loading or the image of the boot. I ordered a floppy disk to see if I can get it running quicker, but I don't know. That's going to be fun. I need to... Oh, nice. I'm just hedging my bets at the moment, having two things running, so having a floppy disk, and I'm hoping your method works better. The worst thing is that I'm going to have to power on my old Pentium 3 computer to write the image each time to try and boot it, because I think it's like 10 floppy disk images to install OS 7. I don't have a USB floppy drive. I've only got the one inside my Pentium. There's no point buying one when I've got one in the system already. Yeah, I do imagine. Oh yeah, of course it runs Gentoo. What else could it run? Have you not seen my documentation for how to build catalyst images for it? It's the Make Stage 4 documentation for Catalyst.
I use my Pentium 3 as the example. Oh yeah, just want to have a look at it. It burns. Right, so this kernel's nearly finished. We'll get that done. So say we take a look at X. Trying to think what graphical drivers I'm going to need for it. That's what's worrying me. I'll take a look later on how you need to redeem the points if you want to set a wallpaper. 1.5k I believe. It's a channel whatever it's called, redeeming feature. You make me set bad things. Okay, that's the kernel nearly finished. You weren't bashing that up a card who used Arch. God's sake, Cal. Let people use what they want to use. Ugh. I don't even want to know, Cal, to be honest. I really don't. Modules install. Okay, and then we do the draw cut. Hey Verge. I am worried I'm starting to learn how draw cut works. Concerns me. I can't remember where I put this. LS boot. Yeah, Gentoo Immolo. Giving me a bloody point. I don't want a picture of you, Cal, on my computer, do I? Oh god, when Cal gets enough points, that's going to be the worst. Cal's poor. Well, yeah, I am poor because you can't afford to give me money, Cal. It's devastating. Right, let's take a look at Xorg then. So, emerge BP Xorg drivers. Okay, that's gonna be worrying. Yeah, you watch your stream to get points. Right. Voltage, package, accept keywords, Xorg. Right, let's see how bad this is gonna be. I'm going to be keywording for days, aren't I, with this? No, just one package. Okay. That's not too bad. Let's go and scroll through this. So that's all right. Okay, let's set this. Yes. Yes. There we go. Right.
Thanks for the follow, Chaos. I can't believe you're not following already. Failed, followed, re-followed. Do you get points for that? Yeah, I didn't think that would work. Right, I think this is going to take a couple of hours to finish off, because it's going to be slow, so I'll call it here, and we'll pop back, see where we get to with X next time. At least we got it booted now, and yeah, it'll be fun. Thank you all for coming along, and I'll see you next time.